this is a 2015-17 Chevy Colorado GMC Canyon iPad mini sleep under kit. So I'll open it. Show you the package. So this is how it looks like. So what you have to do, what is it? Sleep under. So you putting your iPad here and sliding it under it, just like so. And then you put in the power to this side or this side. So this is it, and so you have to relocate your player or do whatever you want to do. So my job is to fit the iPad is in a dash, and your job to fit everything else. So there is a bunch of clips here, clips. So the bolt here, so everything looks good, and there is also sleep here for the, oh, I put it in the wrong way, so it's going this way, and my iPad is actually dead, so can't really show you. So there is a button here, it's right there if you can see it, so you can press it and it will come out. But you have to jailbreak your iPad, so when you turn on your car, it will automatically unlock the iPad, and it's gonna be on. And you have to connect it this one to your player via the Bluetooth or the Wi-Fi. So this is the dash. And over here, you have to put some kind of glue here, tape, glue, whatever you wanna do. But this is, so basically putting here, it's very slim, custom brackets here, and everything outside looks all original kind of. So it looks as original as possible. So this is it, and it paint in a black paint to match the. So this one is, I don't know if it's painted or not, but yeah, it's like lightly painted, so it looks very good. It looks like all original. Here you go.